How physiotherapists can bring a difference to your lifestyle. Physiotherapists in Singapore have a wealth of experience and knowledge to help you restore balance, strength and flexibility to your body. Physiotherapy treatment in Singapore is a great way to treat your physical problems and restore mobility. What exactly do physiotherapists do? They assess, diagnose and then provide a tailored treatment plan to address any physical issue you may have. From postural alignment and stretching to muscle strengthening and cardiovascular exercises, physiotherapists can provide you with a variety of treatments that are tailored to your individual needs. Sometimes you may decide to visit the physiotherapist on your own, with no referral from a doctor or other health professional. In such cases, the physiotherapist will use specialized assessment tools to evaluate your condition and determine the best course of action for you. Chronic health conditions, such as arthritis and diabetes, can also benefit from physiotherapy treatment. Physiotherapists are well trained in the underlying principles of such conditions, along with their associated physical limitations, and can create a tailored treatment plan to improve your range of motion and reduce your symptoms. After surgery, physiotherapy can help to reduce the time it takes to regain normal function and movement. Physiotherapists can also develop an exercise program to help you regain strength and restore range of motion, which can greatly reduce your recovery time. Aging comes with many changes in a person's body that affect their movement and function. Physiotherapists can help to reduce the effects of aging by restoring balance and strength to your body, thus improving your mobility and quality of life. With the right physiotherapy treatment, you can restore balance, strength and flexibility to your body, thus improving your overall health and well-being.